Dog, a man's best friend. Countless are abandoned each year. But the Curry County Animal Shelter gives them a second chance to be loved. Our furry residents are walked, fed, and played with by humans, developing a relationship with them for a future adoption. Adoptions are a mere $65 and $25 for a license. Going on vacation? The Curry County Animal Shelter also boards dogs for only $15 per day. The dogs are fed with veterinary-approved science diet, and inoculations are up to date, including rabies. All incoming dogs are altered before adoption, funded by Pennies for Pooches. The Curry County Animal Shelter, located in the Port of Gold Beach across from the boat ramp.